We're here in Bathurst at Bathurst TAFE to run a specialist training event on vehicle systems. Throughout today, we're running a variety of courses exclusively for our CoolDrive customers. This will prepare them for today's workshop and whatever they may face in the future. We're here to learn about aircon diagnostics. We're here to learn about CAN bus systems. When they break, how do we identify the fault and how we repair that fault, plus much more. So one of the training courses we're offering today is Smart Charging Systems, delivered by Clint Flower. It's a brief overview of the smart charging systems on the vehicles, and we learn how to interpret the charge sensor data and what do we do if the vehicle is not charging, how do we diagnose that fault. We're privileged to have the guys from Bosch here today with us to teach us on the ADAS systems that we're seeing on the cars more and more, plus the KTS diagnostic tool, learning how to use that efficiently, including the secure gateway, which is what is creeping up on us slowly on the newer vehicles. It would be great to see you down here and at future events.